Hey guys, I created this quick video because we recently did a website migration, meaning we switched over to another platform, and some of you have the old links to log into your courses. So I wanted to create an actual visual video to help you better navigate so you can get access to your course, as well as understand the page that I send you the link for. So you would have received a link to a portal, and when you click that link, this is the page you would pretty much see. It's a portal of all of the tutorials that I currently have active on this page. Now for you may have several different courses on this page and have access to it, but in order for you to actually see all of your courses without just signing into one individual course, you would go up here to the right hand corner, and you would click on this little icon that says log in. Once you get here, you would log in with your email address and the password that you originally set up when you created your account. Once you actually sign in, what you will see then is you still will see all of these courses. But some of these little boxes will actually be green. And the ones that are green, meaning they are the ones that you've paid for or you have access to. Anyone that is actually still red, even though you see it, it means you don't have access to that course. If it's a course that you're interested in, all you would have to do is just click this button, meaning saying that you're not a member of that particular course, and it would take you to the sales page if you wanted to purchase that course. I hope this helped you guys understand how to get inside the course as of now. We are looking for a more simpler approach because I really don't like this way of signing in because I think it's a bit confusing. But for right now, because so many of you guys have so many different courses, I wanted to create one page where you could just sign in one time and see everything that you have access to. So again, I hope this helps. And if it does not, just reach back out to us and the help desk. Okay, thanks guys. Take care.